Welcome to Green and Keen, where we flex our mental muscles. Today's workout, the Rapid Math Quiz. 6 grueling stages, 15 brain-busting questions per stage, and just 3 seconds to find the answer. Ready to pump up your math skills? Let's get to the brain gym. Stage 1. Whoa, that was a workout. 20 seconds to shake it off. You'll need it. Trust me, we're just getting started. Ready for round 2? Let's do this. Oh, and while you're here, please consider subscribing so you won't miss the next challenge. Stage 2. Okay, brain break time. Take a 20-second breather. You're doing great, but don't get too comfortable. We've got some real brain busters coming up next. Shake it off and get ready to rumble. If you haven't already, give that like button a little click. It's like a virtual high five. Stage 3. Woohoo! You're crushing it! 20 seconds to celebrate your progress, but not for too long. The math madness continues, and we've got some real brain twisters lined up for you next. Shake it off and let's go. Stage 4. Great job! 20-second break. You're past the halfway mark, but the difficulty is still climbing. Stay sharp. Want to stay ahead of the curve? Subscribe so you don't miss our next math quiz. Stage 5. We're almost there. 20 seconds to prepare for the grand finale. This is where legends are made. Give it everything you've got for this final push. Psst! Don't forget the like button. It helps more people see these videos. Thanks a bunch. Stage 6. Wow, some truly impressive scores today. Congratulations! You're clearly dedicated to improving your math skills. Let me know in the comments how you did and what kind of math challenges you'd like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next challenge. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.